Imagine waking up one day and realizing you're a millionaire in your 20s. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to share exactly how I did it step by step and how you can do the same, no matter where you're starting from. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today I'm going to share with you the exact story of how I went from being broke in my early 20s to becoming a millionaire. Yes, it's true, and I'm going to break it down for you, step by step. You might be thinking, that's impossible for me, but trust me, it's not. I'll show you how simple habits, mindset shifts, and smart moves helped me turn my financial situation around. If I can do it, so can you. I wasn't always rich, far from it. In fact, I remember days when I was just scraping by, living paycheck to paycheck, and wondering how anyone could afford the things I dreamed of. At the time, I didn't know where to start or what to do. All I knew was that I had a burning desire to change my life. Mindset shift. Believe you can do it. Seeing you sitting with a notebook, brainstorming ideas, looking motivated. The first thing I had to change was my mindset. I had to stop seeing myself as a struggling young adult and start thinking of myself as someone who could achieve big things. I started reading books, listening to podcasts, and surrounding myself with people who were already successful. I realized that the only thing holding me back was my own belief in what was possible, so I decided to take control. 2. Focus on building skills, not just earning money. Seen clips of you working, learning online, taking courses. Next, I shifted my focus. Instead of just working for money, I focused on building valuable skills that would set me apart. Whether it was learning about investing, marketing, or building an online business, I knew that gaining expertise in something was crucial. The more I learned, the more valuable I became to others. And trust me, this made all the difference. Step 3. Starting small, side hustles and investments. Seeing you working on side hustles, showing apps, tracking investments. I didn't start with a huge business or crazy investments. I started small. I picked up side hustles, things like freelance writing, graphic design, or even selling products online. I also made sure to start investing, even if it was just small amounts. Little by little, I built up my income streams. Every extra dollar was put towards growing my knowledge or into investments that would pay off later. Step 4. Take risks and leverage opportunities. Seeing you weighing options, taking calculated risks, celebrating small wins. Now, here's the thing. You need to take risks, smart risks. At one point, I invested in something that seemed risky, but I had done my research and it paid off big time. I also realized that there were opportunities all around me, like the rise of online businesses. 5. Reinvest in skill. Scene you working with a team, growing business. Once I started making money, I didn't just blow it. I reinvested it. Whether it was in my business, stocks, or new projects, I knew I needed to keep growing, and that's what I did. The more I reinvested, the faster my wealth began to grow. Step 6. Stay consistent and be patient. Seeing time lapse of your progress over the years, showing growth. The biggest thing I learned is that consistency is key. You're not going to wake up tomorrow and be a millionaire. It took me years of consistent effort. Every decision you make, every habit you form, and every lesson you learn adds up. The key is to stick with it, even when it gets tough. So, there you have it. The journey I took to become a millionaire in my 20s. It wasn't about luck. It was about mindset, learning valuable skills, taking smart risks, and being consistent. If you start applying these steps today, you'll be amazed at how your life can change in just a few years. And remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and improving your life. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.